Explanation of the AI video in terms of the human mind. AI 3D DNN model video in terms of the human mind. We can draw analogies between how a deep neural network, DNN, processes information and how the human brain functions in terms of perception, thinking, and decision-making. AI model by Pradeep K. Suri. Brain Mentor explanation, AI as a human mind. One input layer equals human senses, perception. The input layer of the DNN receives raw data from various sources, example numerical inputs, text, signals. This is equivalent to how our senses, eyes, ears, skin, etc., gather raw information from the environment, like light, sound, temperature. Example, just like the eye captures visual images, the input neurons capture structured numerical features. Two hidden layers equals human brain's thought process. The hidden layers process and transform the inputs into abstract features through mathematical activation functions. In the human brain, this corresponds to the cognitive layer's neurons in the cortex that analyze, correlate, and derive meaning. Each hidden layer extracts deeper understanding, just like how we build understanding in steps: observation, rightward arrow, pattern, rightward arrow, reason, rightward arrow, decision. Analogy: imagine you're reading a sentence. The first layer identifies letters, the second sees words, the third understands the sentence's meaning, similar to DNN processing. 3 activation functions equals brain's response patterns. Functions like ReLU, sigmoid, or TAN decide how strongly a neuron reacts. In the brain, neurons also have a threshold. A stimulus must reach a certain level before the neuron fires. This mimics attention and relevance filtering, focusing only on significant data. Example, like ignoring background noise to hear someone speaking. DNN activation suppresses irrelevant signals. 4 backpropagation equals learning from mistakes. The DNN uses backpropagation to adjust its weights based on the error in prediction. Similarly, the human brain learns by feedback. We make a mistake, experience the result, and correct our approach next time. Parallel, a child touches a hot object once and remembers not to do it again. This is feedback-based learning. 5 output layer equals human decision making. The final layer of the DNN gives a conclusive prediction or classification. This mimics our executive brain functions, like the prefrontal cortex, which make decisions after analyzing all inputs and internal thoughts. Outcome, whether to approve a loan, diagnose a disease, or predict demand, all mirror human decision making. 6 training equals education and experience. DNN training involves feeding labeled data over many iterations. This is like learning from school, books, and life experiences. The more diverse and rich the data, the better the learning. 7 prediction and forecasting equals human intuition. Once trained, the DNN can make intelligent guesses about future events. This is similar to human intuition, where past knowledge and patterns help us make accurate predictions. 8 memory and layers equals neural pathways. In the DNN, memory isn't stored explicitly, but weights and architecture retain learned patterns. The human brain forms neural pathways, which are strengthened by repetition. Film projector: how the video reflects this human mind mapping. The 3D animation shows the flow of data as it travels across multiple layers. The visual transition from input rightward arrow processing rightward arrow output matches the sensory rightward arrow cognitive rightward arrow decision stages of the brain. Neurons firing and color transitions simulate the electric activity of human brain cells. Teacher-mentor's viewpoint. This analogy helps mentors explain DNN to non-technical audiences by grounding abstract AI concepts in familiar human mental processes. By linking each AI layer to a function of the human brain, learners gain a natural intuition for how AI mimics intelligent behavior. End arrow. Final keynote. Understanding AI through the lens of the human mind builds trust, clarity, and curiosity. This video model is a bridge between complex mathematics and everyday intelligence. It reminds us that AI is not artificial intelligence alone, it's amplified intelligence, inspired by how we humans think, learn, and grow. Thanks for watching the video.